To convert an improper fraction into a mixed number, start by writing the fraction as a division problem. Divide the numerator by the denominator. For instance, if the improper fraction is 7/5, write it out as 7 divided by 5. Next, write out the whole number part of the answer. In our example, 5 divides into 7 one time, so the whole number is 1. This leaves us with a remainder of 2. The remainder will become the new numerator in the fraction, while the denominator remains the same. So in the example of 7/5, you would get 7 divided by 5 equals 1, remainder 2. To express this as a fraction, write it as 1 2/5. If you want to turn it back into an improper fraction, multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the product to the numerator. The sum will become the new numerator in your improper fraction, while the denominator will remain the same.